In this video, I'll walk you through how to convert an image into a PDF using WPS Office. And the best part, it's completely free, quick, and easy. First off, if you haven't heard of WPS Office, it's a free, all-in-one office suite perfect for working with documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and yes, PDFs too. You can download it for free on Windows, Mac, Android, or iOS. I've dropped the link in the description, so make sure to grab it if you don't have it yet. Here are the simple steps to get started. Open WPS Office. Once you've installed WPS Office, open the app and head to the PDF section. You'll find it right there on the home screen. Select the image. Next, click on Picture to PDF. A file browser will pop up. Select the image or images you want to convert. You can even select multiple images and merge them into one PDF if you prefer. Adjust settings. Once you've chosen your images, you'll see a preview. You can rearrange, resize, or add margins if needed. WPS makes it super easy to tweak everything. Convert to PDF. When everything looks good, just click Export to PDF. Choose your file destination, give it a name, and hit Save. Boom! Your image is now a PDF. And that's it! You've just converted an image into a PDF with WPS Office. Free and easy. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss more helpful tips and tricks.